How to get the dark mode on Shazam app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dark mode on Shazam app. So first thing we do is we go to Shazam and then you click on library here in the corner, and also click on this icon here in the corner, and after that you go down to themes and you can choose the light theme or the dark theme, as you can see. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this will help me a lot. And thank you so much.